Nadula definitely did their thing, you know, so I can't complain. Very convenient, very lightweight.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with Nadula once again. So this is the wig that we have, guys. You know, it's springtime, we're approaching summer, and I feel like this wig right here is perfect for summertime. You guys know I'm always in. It's been a while since I've showed you guys a short curly wig. So this one today is a 7x5. Yes, 7x5 bye knots lace wig. All right, and it's 10 inches long. As you can see, it's curly, it's really nice and full, it's really soft. They even sent some of these tapes because of course you know that this is a glueless wig, right? It's a glueless wig, so you don't need to apply any spray, any glue, anything like that. If you need, you could go ahead and use these for extra security. But I mean, it's a 7x5. It's not like a full-on lace front where you need to tack down the sides or anything. The inside of the cap is constructed like this. It has this extra elastic band, and you know, you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. Anything that floats your boat. And yeah, it's removable as well. There's also 2 adjustable straps in the back, which I'm gonna crisscross, and there's 1 comb here for added security as well as the non-slip strip. All right, the color of the wig is 1B color, and I love the space. Okay, I love the space because you can get nice deep parts in this when styling it, so that's so cute. I feel like a lot of times with these shorter wigs, I feel like sometimes it lacks depth with the parting space, and I love that. You know, they definitely gave that. And the front is already pre-cut and pre-plucked, so I love that they did all of that for you already. And it's also bleached, also pre-bleached for you, so well customized curly bob. And I'm so ready to go ahead and do this quick and easy install for you guys. Let's go. This is how it looks once I slip it on. It's looking really good. All right, so it does need some work. All right, so as you can see, there's a little bit of cast in the front. It's very nicely snugged on the head is what I can tell you. As I said before, I love the parting space. This isn't going anywhere. This is so secure on my head, like so secure. So, and you see it's from here to here with the lace, so that's really nice. All I'm gonna do is cut away at the area that you know has a cast but doesn't have any hair at all. It's a really tiny piece. You guys know the drill. So I'm just gonna cut away at that area. For the camouflage it, I'm gonna go ahead and get my face powder. I'm just gonna tap away at the areas that are still a little white. What I want to go ahead and do is just show you guys the different partings that you can get from this. So you see you can get a nice deep side part, right? You could do a nice middle part. looks like scalp. It's giving scalp. A lot of space to work with, so I love that. Absolutely love that. Now for the hair itself, it's really soft, so that is a beautiful thing. You could go ahead and opt to wear this dry if you wish. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it with a little water, just so that you guys can also see it in its wet state. But yeah, that's how it looks dry. There is a little bit of shedding to it, so just so you guys know, there is a little bit of shedding. Not sure if you guys are seeing that, but I'm just gonna get some water to redefine these curls. So this is the finished look. Absolutely no baby hairs, completely pulled back. I'm just rocking it like that. So I'm just rocking it like that. It's completely glueless, no product whatsoever. Pretty simple, pretty cute, to the point, very standard wig construction. As I said, this is perfect for summertime. It's a 10-inch, as I told you guys in the initial portion of this video. It's 10 inches and it's just water, so it will get back that volume as time goes by. So natural looking in the front, like you see that, can very much appreciate that. And you know, just short and cute, to the point. It's cute. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. Nadula definitely did their thing, you know, so I can't complain. Very convenient, very lightweight. As I say, a little bit of shedding. I wish it was less, but that's the only thing. It fits well. It's a medium cap as usual, and yeah, it's giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving springtime, it's giving summer. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out if you're interested in getting it for yourself. All the specifications will be listed as well, so don't forget to go ahead and check that out. If there are any discount code, any deals, any sale, that will be down below. But you see how quick this is? It's perfect for my beginners. So quick and easy. There's really nothing else to it. And yeah, so that's it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go out and make it for yourself. Bye. Nadula.